In this video, I'll show you how to watch YouTube if it's blocked in your country, step by step, right on your phone. You're on your phone, scrolling through YouTube, and finally you find the video you've been waiting to watch for days. You tap play, and boom. This video isn't available in your country. Yeah, that moment sucks, but don't worry, there's a super simple fix, and you can do it in just a couple of minutes using a VPN. Let's walk through how to do it on mobile. First, open the Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're on iPhone, and search for a trusted VPN app. Some of the most reliable ones are Surfshark, NordVPN, or ExpressVPN. I've added a link in the description, so you can try Surfshark VPN. It's one of the best options out there. They're safe, easy to use, and designed specifically for mobile devices. Once you've downloaded and installed your VPN, open the app. Most apps will ask you to create an account or log in. After that, you'll see a list of countries, or sometimes a map with different server locations. Now here's the key part. Choose a country where the video is available. For example, if you know the video is available in the US, just tap on United States and hit connect. Once you're connected, you'll notice a small key icon at the top of your phone's screen. That means your internet is now being routed through that country. Next, go back to YouTube. If the app was already open, close it completely and reopen it, or at least refresh the page. Now try playing the same video again. The restrictions should be gone, and the video should play like normal. That's because YouTube now thinks you're in the country you selected on your VPN. Quick tip: if the video still doesn't load, try switching to another server in the same country, or try a different country altogether. Sometimes one server is slow, but another works perfectly. And that's it. With just a VPN app and a couple of taps, you can unlock almost any YouTube video from anywhere in the world, right from your mobile phone. It's fast, it's easy, and it works for more than just YouTube. You can use it for streaming sites, websites, and apps that are blocked in your region too. So the next time you see this video isn't available in your country, just remember, open your VPN, pick a new location, and you're good to go. Don't forget, there's a link in the description to try Surfshark VPN. It's fast, secure, and a great solution to bypass these restrictions.